Hi everyone, this is a guide on Snagit, which was developed by TechSmith to help users take screenshots and videos. Snagit is a tool that allows users to take screenshots and edit it before sharing it. It differs from other similar softwares by providing more features and an option to share the images to multiple platforms. This tutorial will provide a brief overview on Snagit and why it is a must-have tool for people who frequently take screenshots. Now let's get started. First, you will need to install Snagit for Windows and sign up for the 15-day trial. Don't worry, once the 15-day trial is up, you can simply sign in for the free trial again to continue using the software. Open the application once it is downloaded and follow through with the setup. Taking a screenshot is simple. Simply press capture and then select what you want to screenshot, then click the camera icon when you are finished. You can also take a screenshot by simply pressing the print screen key on your keyboard. The screenshot will open in an editor which allows you to modify the image. What makes Snagit special is its feature to use OCR to convert the image to text. You can do this by right-clicking the screenshot and selecting Grab Text. The text looks out of place due to the formatting, but it is really useful for copying text when it is disabled on a website. There are various ways to take a screenshot using Snagit, such as a scrolling window, where you can capture an entire web page. You can capture either vertically, horizontally, or diagonally depending on the type of scrolling allowed. If you want to stop the screenshot at any point, simply click anywhere on the screen. Once it reaches the end of the scroll bar, Snagit will automatically process the capture and display it on the editor. Another type of screenshot that you can take is panoramic, where you can select the dimensions of a window and then manually scroll down to capture the image that you need. Once you are finished, select Stop. The screenshot will open in the editor for you to modify. You can also choose to add effects while taking a screenshot. One that I personally like is using the Capture Info effect, which provides additional information about the image. Here, you can see the website URL, the web explorer, time, and date, along with the system build. This will allow you to quickly locate the source of an image in the future in case you need to refer to it. Now that you understand how to take a screenshot using Snagit, let's move on to editing images. You can use arrows and shapes to grab a reader's attention. You can add additional text to create callouts to provide more information. If you click on More, you will find that there are all kinds of tools that you can use to modify your screenshot. Personally, my favorite feature is the option to simplify an image. This puts color blocks over all the readable text. Now you can go through and simply delete the color blocks from the information that you want the viewer to see. This makes it easy to get your point across when using a screenshot by stopping the reader from getting distracted. Once you have edited your screenshot, you can save it by selecting Share and sending it to your preferable destination. This is another feature that makes Snagit stand out from the other screenshotting softwares since it allows you to share your images in a wide variety of platforms. like sending an image to Camtasia, which is the software that I just used to record this video. Snagit made it easy for me to create this video since I didn't have to import images to Camtasia. If you are a person who frequently uses screenshotting software, I highly recommend you get this software since it makes your life so much easier. Most importantly, you can keep using the free trial if you don't want to buy the software.